Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the 7th video that shows how to set up your call center with the wfmwizard. Today, we will talk about step number 7, time interval history. In this step, you enter the historical data for number of calls per time interval within each day. The size of each time interval is according to what was set in settings step 1, and it could be 15, 30, or 60 minutes. We recommend entering data for the last 10 to 15 weeks, as long as they are typical and reflect recent call center activity. The screen contains two tabs, regular days and special days. In regular days, we enter historical incoming calls data for regular work days. Now, just as with the daily history data in settings step 5, the screen resembles a spreadsheet, and there are a few different ways to enter data into the table. The first one is manual data entry. Just select a cell, double click on it, and enter the date. We can also enter the time interval and the value. For example, let's change it to 30. The second way is entering by copy-paste from a spreadsheet. Just collect the data in a spreadsheet that is structured similar to the wfmwizard spreadsheet format, and use the right mouse button to cut and paste. The third option, that's a recommended one, is by import. You can import data from any Excel, CSV, or TXT file. Just click on the plus button and the import screen will appear. You can see it over here. In this screen, we will browse to select the source file. And of course, if it's an Excel file, we have to select the sheet. Now, after the wfmwizard has identified the data, we need to identify one time interval over here in this menu. You see that the hours are the same. Now, just make sure that the imported file contains only dates and hours which were defined as active work days and hours. In most cases, there is no need to update the time interval history in each week. However, we recommend that you analyze the distribution of the calls once a month to see if the distribution has changed significantly. The second tab, let's click on Finish, and the second tab is called Special Days. Now, the process for special days is similar to the process for regular days. When entering data manually by copy, paste, or importing, the source data should include only days that are specified as special days in settings step 1. This concludes the 7th step. In order to save and go to the next step, we just have to click on the next button. I want to thank you for your patience. We know that you will find it simply and friendly to use. For any further questions, please write to support@wfmwizard.com.